In this guide, I'll show you the best HDR settings for your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings and scroll down to Display Settings. Then once you're here, make sure HDR output is turned on. Then you can scroll down in this section, and where you see HDR output, you want to ensure this is on compatible software only. Because if you have this on for all software playing games that don't actually support HDR natively, oftentimes the colors can look washed out, and it just doesn't look very good. So after you have it set to this, we're going to scroll down and select Adjust HDR. So once you're on this page, you want to press up or down on the D-pad on your controller until the sun on the left is visible and the sun on the right fully disappears. So I'm having a look at my TV right now and I'm increasing this level. And now that the sun's disappeared, I'm going to go to next. Now once you're on this page, press the Y button on your controller to open up the brightness slider, and what I recommend you do is mess around with it while also changing the images by pressing X on your controller to see what looks best for your specific TV or monitor setup. So once you're happy with the way it looks, you can press B to go back, and then you just want to press OK. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.